Good evening students. In yesterday's video session, we were doing exercise 7.2 and up to question number 4 we have discussed. Now today we will start from question number 5. Question number 5 is given triangle ABC and DBC to isosceles triangle on the same base BC. Here we have given same base BC. On one side there is one isosceles triangle ABC and on the other side there is another isosceles triangle, that is DBC. We have to show that angle ABD, this angle is equal to angle ACD. This thing we want to prove. So firstly we will write it's given isosceles triangles ABC and DBC on same base BC, and we want to prove that to show or to prove angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. This thing we want to prove. Now we have done theorem 7.3. In that we have done a result that if opposite sides of a triangle are equal, then opposite angles are also equal. So here in triangle ABC, as AB is equal to AC, that means angle ABC is equal to angle ACD. This is our first equation because we have given ABC is isosceles triangle. If triangle is isosceles, it means opposite sides are equal, and according to theorem 7.3, if opposite sides are equal, then opposite angles are also equal. Similarly, when we will take the triangle DBC, in triangle DBC, as DB is equal to DC, that implies angle DBC is equal to angle DCB. With same thing, opposite sides are having equal opposite angles. Now we will add these two equations by adding first and 2. Add 1 and 2. Angle ABC plus angle DBC is equal to angle ACB plus angle DCB. ABC plus DBC, that will be angle ABD, and ACB plus DCD, that is angle ACD. This thing which we want to prove. So in this way we have proved that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Now we will do question number 6. Triangle ABC is isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. When triangle is isosceles, it means its opposite two sides are equal. So here in question number 6, it is given to us triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC. This thing is given to us. Say side BA is produced to D such that side BA is produced to D such that AD is equal to AB. This side is produced up to point D and this is joined. Now this AB is equal to AD. We have to prove that triangle BCD is a right. Means this angle we want to prove 90 degrees. So how to solve? Firstly we will write its given. In given we will write isosceles triangle ABC and BA is equal to AD. This is also given. To prove, which we want to prove? We want to prove that angle BCD is 90 degree. This thing we want to prove. Now we will do its proof. How we will solve it? To prove this angle 90 degree, we will prove these two angles are equal. Okay students, now here AB is equal to AC. If AB is equal to AC, that means angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Why? If opposite sides of a triangle are equal, then opposite angles are also equal. Here you can mention by theorem 7.3, opposite angles of a triangle are equal if opposite sides are equal. Okay. Now in triangle, here this is in triangle ABC. Now we will take in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, as AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AD. That means AC is equal to AD, AB is equal to AC, and AB is equal to AD. That means AC is also equal to AD. If AC is equal to AD, that thing implies angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. Okay, angle ACD is equal to angle ADC and angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Now here we will use angle sum property. According to angle sum property, sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Here we write angle in triangle BDC, angle DBC plus angle BCD plus angle CDB is equal to 180 degree. Now angle DBC plus BCD, DBC plus BCD can be written as angle ACB plus angle ACD plus angle CDB is equal to 180. Now from these equations, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. ABC and DBC both are same, so here we can write ACB plus angle ACB plus, second thing we are having angle ACD is equal to angle CDB, means that is the angle CDB is same as angle CDA from here. So here in place of this we can write angle ACD plus angle ACD is equal to 180. Okay, these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal. So in place of this angle we have written ACB, and in place of this angle we have written ACD. So here we are having twice of angle ACB plus ACD is equal to 180. Angle ACD plus angle ACD is equal to 90. ACB, this is angle ACB, this, and angle ACD, this. By combining these two, we are getting angle DCB. This is equal to 90 degree. That implies, which we want to prove here, we want to prove that BCD is a right angle. So we can write here BCD is right angle. Okay, so this was our question number 6, which we have completed. After that, question number 7 and 8. Here in question number 7, you have given ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A is 90 degree and AB is equal to AC. You have to find other two angles. So here also we will use the same property. If AB is equal to AC, that means angle B is equal to C. So by using angle sum property, you can find angle B and C. And similarly, you can solve question number 8. Okay students, so in this way our exercise 7.2 completed. If you are having any problem, then that we can discuss in our Zoom class. So today your homework is complete exercise 7.2. Thank you and have a nice day.